Abialemi Lokponena. Yeah, this is the situation in most of the Tongu communities right now. Opu Agbo, Ikenya Akosombo Dam, Opu ita Amuo, Ikenya Mutosisia. Oka, Edo, Iko Damo, Lo Papomo, Amo, Kyo, Aho. Protolos ya enafi ozu ahomanosito apomanosito okatapio de talasi. Yeah, so situation it's still getting worse. Ika me try me apo no play amado me no play assemblyman. Ika the affected victims so ikanya victims so me kwalabe alo provision kawo nad mode egelema no college mo ba as at the time he came for nuclear assemblyman na mnyabe na nek mele eji mo victims so o onka mo na nek chonchi o ko amo do jebe na page global family members so which is very very disturbing, you know. Amo alo awa afia dunu game no more go pack no troller. All those things should be something we should think about. But as at now, naneke nenema medo bo ke me fonu bua assemblyman na minyabe. Even security is an issue. No police, nothing, no security in town. It can all advantage taking la situation advantage taking la ji ko affected victims or alcohol ofimi. So this is just an update, a quick one on this whole situation. It's getting scary. Ika update ga do me gbenye big afi ezanadona unaka afi unaka ele echoma waga wushie aga village. So as at now we are pleading with the government, with the necessary authorities. The authorities are in charge of these issues to come to the aid of the Mepe people, the Battor people. In fact, all the affected areas. Akbenemi, this is how far the thing is going, and it's getting more crazy, man. It's getting more crazy. Stay glued to us. We'll try to bring you all the updates. Mila try and be me get the NADMO coordinator. I'll be me no play. Mila try and be me get the MP. Me no play. Me what are they doing? What are their plans? Or what are the plans? You know, because as at now, Abdialemi Otomila since or coming and it's not easy at all. It's not easy at all, and it's getting more worse. Mila try me I get the NADMO coordinator. The plans that they are doing, what is going on, what is the immediate action taken. Nenye must subscribe. Subscribe for all the actions. I post all the updates here. Thank you.
subscribe.